Hi, welcome to the video. My name is Roger, aka Rusty Rog, and today we're going to be talking about lights. So I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. So how did I achieve it? Well, this is the Yongnuo YN300 Air Pro video light. It's LED panel, it's bi-color, which means it's got two colors, if you didn't know what I meant. And it goes from 0 all the way up to, as you saw, very bright. I picked this up the other day because I was really struggling with my lighting. I was trying to use a work lamp and that wasn't working out, and so I said I need a proper light, but I wanted something small, compact. Look at this, it's not very big, it's nice and compact. But I want something small, light, compact, battery powered too, so I don't have to worry about plugging it in. And this is the light that I went for. It all came packaged with a charger and everything like that, so it was really, really good value. It's got a simple button on the back, it's just on and off. But this dial as well helps you adjust the brightness all the way up or all the way down. It's got two colors, so this is your, as you can see, this is the more orangey, can you call it orangey light. This is a 3200K, and it goes nice and bright, and then all the way down to 0. And then you've also got the 500K, which is your natural sunlight, daylight, whatever you want to call it. And again, that goes all up as well. And if you combine them both, you can make it really, really, really bright. Look at that, I'm blowing out my levels like you wouldn't believe. And look at this, whoa, look how pretty I look under this light. I look amazing. No? Okay. Anyway, there's a very, very bright light. I'm going to turn that off now. It's a very bright light. It's an awesome light. One, it comes with this handle, which makes it easy. You can hold it and move it and do whatever you like. But on here as well is a cold shoe mount. Yeah, can you see that cold shoe mount? So it's got a cold shoe mount on there, which means you can basically mount it to anything with a cold shoe. It is an LED, so it doesn't get hot like some of my other experiments turned out when I was trying to light the back with a halogen and it was too warm and I couldn't put a gel over it and it was awful. So the other buttons you've got on the back, if you can have a look there, we've got your temperature control, and in terms of your light, your Kelvin control, you've got your coarse or fine light. I've been pressing that button and I couldn't figure out the difference. Because of the diffuser on the front, I don't think it matters greatly. It doesn't seem to change the quality of the light. And you've also got a set button. A set button essentially allows you to set a certain, like you can set your color temperature, you can set how bright you want it, press and hold set, and it's like a preset. So when you turn on the light, you can just press set, it'll go to that, what you use every day, so you're not fiddling around with the button too much. The milk diffuser is amazing because it gives you a nice soft light straight off the bat. Like I'm going to turn this on, I'm just going to turn it all the way down. So even when you've got it low, you can see it's a nice soft light. It's not glaring. You don't see any streaks on the, like if I put it up to the lens, look, you can see that it's light, you can see that it's bright, but you're not seeing glare. It's not a glary light, which is really useful for a key light because I can put this above me. Hang on, let me turn it all the way up. I can put this above me as a key light and I'm not blinded by it. It's bright, yes, but it lights my face. Look, if I put it right here, right in front of my face, look, it's right here, look, it's right here. Now, okay, now it's starting to get a bit much. But right here, it's bright, but I'm not blinded by it. I don't close my eyes. I haven't got spots in front of my eyes when I close my eyes because it's a nice soft light. But that means you can get some very natural looking light. Look at that, that looks great. It's close to my face, but it's not, sorry, I'm ruining my shot. Look at this, it looks beautiful. Take it away. And, yeah. So from now on, I'll be lit by this. It's a great little light. I highly recommend it. You can find it pretty cheaply pretty much anywhere. Here in New Zealand, this costs me, including the battery and the charger, about 140 bucks. So it was a really, really good deal. Really good, and I really recommend it. I'm loving using this. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I guess I'll go back to the pretty lighting now. So there you go, much better. That is a Yongnuo YN300 Air Pro LED video light. Hopefully you've learned something from this video. If you have, please like below, throw me some comments as well. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what sort of lights you're using, what sort of things you've learned about using video lights or lighting your studio, because let's all learn from each other. And also, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It will mean the world to me. Thank you very much for those who have. That's it really. Follow me on Twitter, @RustyRog on Twitter, @RustyRog on Instagram as well. And until next time, take care of yourselves. I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. Now, I need to cover the lens the same. Hang on. This will do. So you want to see how it all goes together? Look, here's the Yongnuo. That's it pointing at my face, making me look pretty. And then if I spin this around, you'll see down here I have a work lamp. So this is just if I got some gels on it to make it blue. Otherwise, it's just a cheap work lamp that just lights up the wall. And then here, where I've got all these cameras and things, I've just got an LED strip that plugs into USB sitting on the back, and that gives me my backlighting. Look at that. It looks great, doesn't it? There you go. That's a little behind the scenes of how I've lit everything. If you've got any questions, throw a comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video.